Hi, in this lesson we learn ratios. Ratio is a comparison of quantities. Let's take an example. Suppose there are a certain number of green balls and red balls. In this example, ratio of green to red balls is 2:4. This ratio is written in various ways. This can be written as 2:4 or 2:4 or 2/4. This can be simplified to 1/2. Let's do the example 2. We have to complete the given table. These are the 3 bags A, B, and C. The figure shows the number of balls in the bags. Blue to red balls in the bag A is 15 to 20. This can be simplified to 3:4. Ratio of blue to red in bag B is 5 to 25, which can be simplified to 1:5. Similarly, ratio of blue to red in bag C is 16 to 24, which can be simplified to 2:3. Next, we have to fill the second row. In bag A, there are 15 blue balls. Total number of balls are 35. So in bag A, blue to all ratio is 15 to 35, which can be simplified to 3:7. In bag B, this ratio is 5 to 30, which is simplified to 1:6. In bag C, this ratio is 16 to 40, which is simplified to 2:5. Next, we have to fill last row, that is red to all. In A, this is equal to 20 to 35. In simplest form, this is 4:7. In bag B, ratio of red to all is 25 to 30, which can be simplified to 5:6. Next, bag C. In bag C, this ratio is 24 to 40. In simplest form, this is equal to 3:5. Now we do example 3. In this, the table shows the number of males and females in buses A and B. In part A, we are asked to find the ratio of males to females in bus A in simplest form. In part B, we have to find out the ratio of males to females in bus B in simplest form. Ratio of males to females in bus A is 25 to 10. To find the ratio in simplest form, the numerator and the denominator should be divided by the greatest common factor, or GCF, of 25 and 30. 25 is equal to 5 into 5. 10 is equal to 2 into 5. The greatest common factor is 5. By dividing numerator and denominator by 5, we get 5 by 2, which is the ratio in simplest form. Ratio of males to females in Busby is 30 to 10. As in the previous ratio, we find the GCF of both 30 and 10. It is equal to 10. By dividing the numerator and the denominator of 30 over 10 by 10, we get 3 to 1 is the ratio of males to females in Busby in simplest form. That is going to bring this lesson to a close. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe.